How to fill color in shape using Adobe Acrobat. Alright, let's jump right in. Ever found yourself looking at a shape in Adobe Acrobat and wishing you could just pop some color into it, making the documents stand out? Well, you are in the right place. Today, I will show you how to add vibrant colors on those shapes and give your document a little personality. First things first, open up your document in Adobe Acrobat. Export the shape you want to color. Got it? Awesome. Here I have a rectangle over here, so I'll be filling out color in this one. Now what you have to do is just tap on right and you will see an option for properties right over here. Tap on it. That will open up this type of properties for you. Right now you can see the fill color is white. That's why it's a white. Now just choose the color that you want to fill in the shape. Let me choose this one. And you can see the changes right over here, and you can also adjust the opacity right from here. If you want it to be more bold, you can use this, and if you don't want to be a neutral, just choose like that. That's it. You just learned how to break new life into Adobe Acrobat documents with color shape. I hope this video helped, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.